Alright guys, welcome to my tutorial. So let's see how we can achieve this particular design on Pixellab right now, right away guys. So let's go into it without wasting of our time. So I need to hide this design and then I'll come to image size. So the weight size is 1000 and the height is 1280. Then you click OK. So next thing we have to do is we need to import the background. Okay, so this is the background. Okay, so what you have to do is you need to increase the size to fill all the blank and then you lock it. So let's import the image. So this image I've already removed the background on photo room. So you just have to go when I send the image to you, you have to go to photo room and just remove the background. That's it. So you make sure you set it very carefully. This is size a little bit and then you set it here. So next thing we have to do is to work on the background. When you look the image and the background are not giving the color, so what you have to do is need to work on the background. So to work on the background, you click on layer, click on this background, and then you go to color filters. Here you click on color filters and then let's work on the hue. So the hue we need to increase it to 34 and the saturation to 5 or 6. Anyone is perfect, I think. And then I think that's nice. And then you have to come to shape quickly, increase the radius to 100% and then bring this up here. I hope you guys are following. And then you increase the size and then you bring this one down here. So we need to find a color that will match with the background again on this shape. So what we have to do right now is to come to color, enable color, and then come to color selective and then let's select this. Sorry, not this one. This is the image. So what you have to do right now, you come down here and select the particular one that is kind of dark and then you click OK. So I hope you guys are following because I don't want you to make a mistake. So you set it down here and I think that's nice. So what you have to do again, copy it and then you reduce the size of this, reduce the size again to bring it here, turn the color to white color. So if you think the size is kind of big, you can come here up here and then you reduce the size a little bit and then bring it down here. But I think we have to increase it the way it is before. Alright, so guys, I think this is perfect. Yeah, this is nice. Alright, so what you have to do again is you need to lock both of them and then let's import the images. So first thing, I think I use 3 image only. So let me see which one and which one. So firstly, we are using this and then you click on this cycle, click on the cycle and then you click OK for this particular one. So you set it up here and then and then you go to stroke and then enable the stroke, turn the stroke color to this color. So you increase the stroke weight a little bit to like 5, click OK and then let's quickly go to our file gallery again. So we're choosing this again and then we're choosing cycle and then let's work on it and then you click OK, reduce the size again, reduce the size. So you reduce the size again until it fits everything. So we have to put stroke on that one too and then we're using the same stroke put it to 5, remember. All right, so lastly, let's import the last image, which is, I think, yeah, this image. So turn it to cycle also, but this one, you need to be careful on how you work on it. Make sure it's well centralized like others. So reduce the size also. So I think this is, if the size is too kind of big and you're not getting the space, you need to minus with it. So we turn the color to same color with others, and the structure should be 5. So like you see that the white shape is not filling the blank, so we need to work on the white shape again. But before that, let's block these particular ones. Then you click on it, bring it up here. You can increase the size. We can take it up here like this, and then you click OK. So let's increase the size a little bit, and then let's rotate it like this. Also, on the starting, it will give you a little bit of tough time, so you need to be patient. All right, so I think that's perfect. And then let me lock it and then enable this one to set them again. All right, guys, so this is what I'm looking. So you lock everything, okay? And then let's write the name, which is Sylvia. So you click OK, and then you drag it here, increase the size. So you come to color, and then you come to gradient. Let's go to work on the color. So this one, we're putting it on red color, a little bit darker. And then the up one, which is this, we're putting it on yellow color, and then you dark it a little bit also. And then this is what we got right now, guys. So you need to increase the yellow one to give us the vibes. Yeah, this is perfect. And then you click OK. So I think, yeah, that's perfect. So you increase the size, and then you go to your fonts. So this phone is phone that I download from Google. So I would recommend you guys to just quickly go there and download it. This is the name of the phone. It's called Garden. So you should just quickly go to Google Play Store. Sorry, Google, and then search that phone. Then you can download it through that phone. Okay. Just search Garden fonts on your Google, and you can get it. So after you have put it there, so let's write beauty beauty empire. So you press shift and write empire. All right, so this is perfect, and then you drag it here too. So we're using the same color like before. So you increase the size, set it increase the size a little bit again. So you go to based on how you want to be, you come to space, and then you space it a little bit to make it look beautiful. I think I have to increase it again. All right, so guys, I think this is good. This is perfect. And then lastly, I've already read the text like I said before, so I just have to enable it. So I'll just hold it, long press it, and then drag it up here, and then boom, this is what I got right now here. So I have to set it here very carefully, and then try to lock it and go to shape again, and then increase the radius to 100%, and then you bring this up here like this. So you scroll down. If you cannot do this, you can just go to the color and do it the way we used to do it. But if you want to do it, then you just scroll down on, then come to grid, then click on the color. So we're looking for the uh color. So this is the color we're using. So you drag it down here carefully, and then you put it there. Alright, so let's quickly write our services, our our services. So you drag it there and then reduce the size. So let's quickly, you can use any font. Like on this one, I can advise you to use any font, but on that particular one, if you have any font that is similar to that one, you can go on and do it. Okay, we are all learning. So increase the size. Yeah, so I think this is perfect, guys. So lastly you have to enable the, I mean, social media platforms. So I've already did it. You can go on and put the one you want to put. So this is the one I've already hide them. So I just enable them, and then boom, this is what we got. And so like I said, today is a big very tutorial and it take a lot of time. So we need to share it to, oh sorry, like almost forgot something. All right, okay. Let me check. Yeah, so everything is intact. So we need to share it to Lightroom. All right, so this is our Lightroom, and then we're taking this design to Lightroom. All right, so this is Lightroom. So what you have to do right now, you just click on Edit. So I need to be a little bit fast so that you guys, I will not take a lot of time. So you click on Lights, and then click on Exposure. The exposure should be 0.80. Yeah, 0.80. Then bring the contrast to 16 plus 16. I love it. And then highlight it. You just want to bring the quality of the image. So increase the white to plus 11, and then I think you need to minus the black to minus 6. All right, so that's perfect. So you come on to effects, increase the clarity to 35, and then texture it to plus 4, and then the details, come to details and you sharpen it. Sharpen means to bring all the quality. Okay, so you sharpen it again, sharpen it to plus 30 or anyone you want to be based on how you want it to be. Okay, so you come back to color. So this color, we need to increase every little types of color here. So on this red, we're saturating it, and this one too, we're saturating it, and we're saturating this also. So any little color here, we're saturating every color here. We just need their quality to be shown. All right, so this is perfect. And then you scroll down to the normal saturation, then you saturate it. Can you see that? And then you come to effects again, click on grain, and then let's grain it a little bit. All right. All right, guys, so that's perfect. So let's see before. Click on see before and see after. Before and after. All right, so what you have to do, if you really like this setting that you did on this editing, you can just come here to this three dot and then you copy your setting. In case if you design any design and you want to put this same this, instead of wasting of your time, you just copy it, and then when you did another design, you can just come here and just paste that particular one. Okay, All right, guys. So I think we are done. So what you have to do right now to save it, just click on this side, and then you click on save copy to this device to your device, and then boom, we're good to go, guys. So that's nice. All right, guys. Thank you for watching. See you on next tutorial. Hope you learn anything that you don't understand. You can ask.